Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to top up or deposit your Skrill account. First of all, log into your Skrill account using your email and password. On your Skrill dashboard, click the deposit button to begin the process. Enter the amount you want to top up, make sure it meets Skrill's minimum deposit requirements. Select your preferred payment method. Skrill supports options like bank transfer, credit, or debit cards, and sometimes local payment methods depending on your region. Follow the instructions to complete the payment using your chosen method. This may involve entering your card details, confirming with your bank, or using a payment gateway. On the transaction is complete, your skill balance will be updated instantly or within a few minutes depending on the payment method. And that's it. Your skill account is now topped up and ready for use. Enjoy fast and secure transactions with Skrill. Thanks for watching.